Let's quickly run through setting the time and aligning the hands on a G-Shock GA-100. First things first, we're going to want to make sure that our analog hands are properly calibrated so they'll display the correct time when we set the digital time. To do this, we're going to press and hold forward, which is our bottom right button. We'll hear the watch beep and we'll see sub start flashing. So now we're controlling this sub dial. We can move this forward one click at a time with our forward button. We want it to be pointing straight up at 50. Next we can press mode, and now we're controlling our hour and minute hands, and we'll see 000. We want these to be pointing at directly 12 o'clock. And this we can control with forward and reverse. Once those are properly aligned, we'll simply press adjust once more. And now when we set our digital time, our hands will display the correct time as well. Now on to setting the digital portion of our watch. To enter time setting mode, we're going to press and hold our adjust button. We'll hear the watch beep, and now we're flashing with our first setting, which is to change our time zone. We can do this with forward and reverse. We're going to press mode to cycle through our settings. Now we can choose daylight savings, off or on. Mode again will allow us to choose 12 or 24-hour timekeeping. Mode will then bring us to our seconds, which we can 0 with forward. Mode will then bring us to our hour, currently 2 p.m. where I live. Mode again will bring us to our minute, 22. Mode again will allow us to set our year, 2025. Mode again will allow us to set our month. Mode again will allow us to set our day. And finally, mode once more will bring us to our final setting, which is LT 1 or 3. That's simply our light duration, 1 or 3 seconds. Once we're done with all that, we'll simply press adjust once more, and our hands will set themselves to the correct time. Thank you guys so much for joining me in this quick time setting tutorial. I really hope that it was clear and helpful. If you're interested in more tutorials and watch related content, please do consider subscribing. Thanks everyone.